Hello design lovers, welcome to Daily Home Channel. Have you ever walked into a space and felt an immediate sense of calm? Not because it was the most expensive or perfect room you'd ever seen, but because it felt alive. It had a story. It had soul. What if I told you that the most requested, most talked about home aesthetic for 2026 isn't about what you buy new, but about what you reclaim? It's about the poetry of old wood, the narrative in a chipped vase, the warmth of a blanket that's seen decades of winters. This is the Soulful Sanctuary trend, and it's redefining winter luxury. Luxury not as a price tag, but as depth, character, and a profound connection to our roots and our planet. Welcome to our thrifted and upcycled winter home. And today, we're not just touring spaces. We're unpacking the philosophy behind 2026's most important decor movement. We're talking slow decor, emotional interior design, and how to build a winter haven that's sustainably gorgeous. So, grab a cup of tea and let's begin. Section 1. The 2026 Mindset, WHY Soulful, is the new staged. Let's rewind for a second. For years, we chased the pristine, the instantly gratifying, the perfectly matched. But in 2026, there's a collective shift. After years of digital overload and disposable culture, we're craving authenticity. We want our homes to be digital detox spaces, places that ground us in the tactile, the real, the imperfectly beautiful. This is where Thrifted and Upcycled moves from a niche DIY hobby to a core design principle. It's no longer just about saving money, though that's a fantastic benefit. It's about conscious consumption. It's about the carbon-neutral home. Every item with a past life is one less item in a landfill and one less demand on new resources. In 2026, sustainability isn't the buzzword. It's the baseline. But beyond the ethics, there's the magic of narrative. A mass-produced vase from a big box store has one story. But this picture I found for $3 at a flea market, now holding dried birch branches, it whispers of Sunday dinners in a different era. It has a patina, a energy. This is biophilic design meeting ancestral aesthetics. It's connecting our modern lives to the craftsmanship and rhythms of the past, which feels incredibly comforting during the introspective winter months. Section 2. The 5 Pillars of the Thrifted Winter Sanctuary. So, how do we translate this philosophy? Let's break it down into 5 actionable pillars. Think of these as your design filters when you're sourcing or creating. Pillar 1. The Palette of Patina. Forget sterile whites and cool grays. The 2026 Winter Palette is earthy neutrals with warmed-up undertones. We're talking oat milk, clay, faded terracotta, deep moss green, and charcoal that's been softened with a brown base. These colors inherently feel aged, organic, and cozy. They provide the perfect, quiet backdrop that lets your thrifted finds, the rich walnut of an old frame, the rust on a piece of ironstone, sing as the stars of the show. Pillar 2. Textural Alchemy. This is where coziness is engineered. Winter is the season of texture, and we're building it in layers, all from sustainable sources. Think heirloom quality knits, found in thrift store sweater sections. I'll show you how to felt them into pillows, rewoven vintage linens, upcycled wood grains, and foraged botanicals. The goal is a room you want to touch. A nubby blanket here, a smooth, sanded-down salvaged wood table there, the crisp rustle of dried allium in a vase. This tactile maximalism is key to the sensory experience. Pillar 3. The Light of Memory. Winter light is low and golden. We enhance it with what I call memory lighting. This means ditching harsh overhead LEDs for curated, emotional light sources. We're using upcycled vessel candles, cleaning out old, almost empty jam jars and perfume bottles to make new candles, clustering thrifted brass candlesticks of varying heights, and rewiring vintage ceramic table lamps found at estate sales. The light flickers, it casts soft shadows, and it makes every patina and texture come alive at night. It's the ultimate hide lighting hack 2026. Pillar 4. Asymmetrical arrangements and the found still life. Step away from symmetry. The soulful home feels curated, not staged. On a mantle, instead of 2 identical vases, try a stack of old leather books, a single, towering piece of driftwood, and a small, lopsided, thrifted painting leaning against the wall. On your coffee table, create a winter still life, a chunky geology book, a smooth stone from a winter walk, a simple bowl of clementines with their leaves still attached. These are intentional accents that look collected, not purchased. Pillar 5. The signature scent of place. A soulful home engages all the senses. For scent, avoid synthetic cinnamon broom cliches. We're creating simmer pot scents, or DIY potpourri, with completely natural, often foraged or pantry items. Think orange peels, cinnamon sticks, clove, and pine needles. It's a subtle, evolving aroma that smells like your home, not a store. It's the final, invisible layer of the sanctuary. Section 3. Fresh 2026 Project Ideas Beyond the Palette Wood Sign. Let's get practical with some ideas that feel fresh for this coming year. Idea 1. The Closed Loop Wreath. Forget the plastic base. We're foraging pliable vines, like willow or grapevine, to make a circular form. Then, we're adorning it with only what we can find. Dried hydrangeas from the garden, seed pods, bits of ribbon from old clothes, and even feathers. It's a zero-waste winter craft that's completely unique to your landscape. Idea 2. Upcycled heirloom art. Frame thrifted textiles. An exquisite corner of a damaged vintage tablecloth or a fragment of an embroidered napkin can become a stunning, textured piece of art. It's a slice of history on your wall. This plays right into the grand millennial trend, but with a minimalist, focused twist. Idea 3. The shelf vignette as a winter scene. Don't just put things on a shelf. Use a floating shelf to tell a miniature winter story. Place a small, thrifted landscape painting at the back. In front of it, layer in a tiny ceramic deer, also thrifted, a few sprigs of fake snow-dusted greenery from last year's decor, and a mini LED tea light. It's a dollhouse for adults moment that adds incredible depth and whimsy. Idea 4. Textile Transformation Station. This is a big one. Take a worn-out but beautiful wool blanket or a vintage floral curtain. Don't discard it. With simple sewing or even fabric glue, transform it into a set of bolster pillows, a lampshade cover, or a framed piece of art I just mentioned. You're literally wrapping your home in stories. This is circular fashion, principles applied directly to your interior. As we finish our tour, I want you to look around your own space. See the potential, not the lack. The goal of this Soulful Sanctuary isn't perfection by next week. It's a slow, joyful process of noticing, reclaiming, and loving what already exists. Start with one corner, one thrifted find, one upcycling project. Let your home evolve with you, layer by layer, story by story. In 2026, the most beautiful homes won't be the ones that look like a catalog. They'll be the ones that feel like a heartfelt, warm embrace the moment you step through the door. A true sanctuary, built with intention and history. If this philosophy resonates with you, if you're ready to embrace slow decor, give this video a thumbs up. It tells me you're part of this movement. And I'd love to hear about your favorite thrifted find or upcycling project. Drop it in the comments below. Let's build a community of conscious creators. Don't forget to subscribe for more ideas on sustainable interior design and future-proofing your home aesthetic. Until then, remember, the most beautiful things in life and in our homes are often those with a past, repurposed with love for the present. Happy hunting, everyone.